Hey everyone, my name is Rob, and today I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts from any existing video using Opus Clip, which is a tool that offers a free trial where you can create up to 30 shorts without paying a single dime. If you're looking to experiment with shorts or save time editing, this is a great way to get started at zero cost. Plus, I'll explain how you can continue to create shorts for free even after the free trial ends, so stick around to find out how. If you've been wanting to boost your channel's growth with shorts but don't want to spend hours editing, then this video is for you. Let me introduce you to Opus Clip, which is an incredible tool that I use myself. What I really love about Opus Clip is that it automatically finds the best clips from your longer form videos, saving you a ton of time. You just upload your videos, and Opus Clip's AI analyzes it to pick out the most engaging moments. It even formats them perfectly for YouTube Shorts. No more manual editing, just a few clicks, and you're done. So let's jump into my screen. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Let's go. All right, so now you are here looking at Opus Clip. This is where you probably will start. If you don't have an Opus Clip account yet, then I encourage you to go to the description of the video and you'll find a link to get started with Opus Clip. Like I said, there is a free trial, so you can get started right away. That way, when you have an account set up, then you can follow along this tutorial even better. All right, so once you have created your account, you're gonna go and into your dashboard and it's gonna look like this, all right? Let me zoom in a little bit and you can see here that there's a tool here that says Clip Basic or Clip Anything. All right, so we're gonna go into Clip Anything, and as I scroll down here, I'm gonna use my marker so you can kind of see exactly where I'm going. You'll see that there's a field right here. This field right here is basically where you can put in any links to a video that's online, whether it's on YouTube, on Zoom, on Rumble, on Twitch, a variety of different places where you may have a video already. Now, you can also go and click on Upload right here, where you can then essentially upload any videos that you have on your computer. You can also go directly, and if you have a video that's sitting on Google Drive, then you can also use this button right here, which allows you to connect to your Google Drive and upload a video from there. Super easy. Now, for me, I'm actually going to take one of my YouTube videos, which you see right here. This is a podcast long-form interview with my friend Liz Mosley. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just get the link to this video. So I'm gonna go to the video. This is the video. I'm gonna get the link, copy that link, go back to Opus, drop that link right here, like I said, into this field right here. Going to drop that link, paste. And now Opus is going to do its thing and start to read that video. It's AI, it's going to do its thing. And we are going to be getting clips from Opus Clip right here. Okay, so it looks like we're ready. I'm going to go down and there's a few different options here that I'd like for you to look at just to make sure that you're optimizing for the best clips possible that you are actually looking for. So the first thing here is the clip length. So automatically it does take clips that are less than 90 seconds. That usually works for most platforms. But for me, I'm going to go for clips that are between, well, under 30 seconds as well as under 59 seconds or under 60 seconds in length. Okay? That's the maximum length that I'm looking for. You can also see here that there's options to generate clips using AI that are going to be much longer than 60 seconds, up to 15 minutes long, in fact. It also asks you to click which type of genre your content fits into, and so you can kind of go in here. For me, I am going to click interview. Okay, you can also just let AI detect if you like, but I'm going to go into interview for this one. You can also ask it to look for specific moments. Okay, so you can ask it, like it says here, look for a funny moment, or look for a section with some epic fights or epic arguments, or look for something where there's a person wearing a red shirt, right? You can really tell AI to do that. For me, I'm not going to do anything there. And then lastly here, you can also set it to look for a specific time frame, okay? But for me, this video is 45 minutes long. You can see that right here. And I'm gonna ask it to actually process the entire thing. Now at the very bottom here of this, before you click on Get Clips in One Click, you can also set quick presets, or you can actually create your own templates here, okay? For me, I am going to select, let's see, probably this deep diver one. This is Ali Abdal's sort of inspired template here, and we're gonna use that quick preset. And then lastly, you can also select the aspect ratio. Now for me, since we are gonna be working to create YouTube Shorts, I'm gonna stay with a 9:16 aspect ratio so that we get the best type of video output at the very end possible. Okay, now with all that, all we need to do now is click on Get Clips in One Click, this button right here, and it's gonna start the AI to work. Okay, so now it's starting to work. You'll see here at the very bottom, or as you scroll a little bit, you'll see that my project is starting. It's at 6%, and it's going to estimated, it should wrap up in about 28 minutes or so. Okay, it's working, it's doing its thing. And so we're just gonna let that do its thing. I'm gonna pause the recording, and I'm gonna be back once the AI has done its work and picked out all the clips for us. All right, so Opus Clip has finished working on my long form video, my interview with Liz, and so you'll see it here. It is completed, so I'm gonna click into it. All right, so let me walk you through this a little bit. And once you're in here, I encourage you to kind of play around, click around all the different options. There's a ton of options. If you have maybe checked out Opus Clip a little while ago and haven't really used it in a while, maybe you're coming back. Or if this is your first time, great, then you're seeing it for the first time. But if you've used it in the past, a little while ago, and now you're just kind of coming back to it and checking it out again, you'll notice that there are a ton of improvements. One of the things that I really love about Opus Clip is that their team is constantly pushing the envelope, pushing out new features. They're listening to their community, and so it's pretty awesome. So what you're gonna see here is a bunch of clips, all right? And so remember that we wanted clips for YouTube Shorts, right? And so you'll see that the dimension here is perfect for YouTube Shorts. All right, we're gonna go down and you're gonna see these titles, okay? This is pulled by AI based on what it is hearing from the videos, what the people are saying in the videos. It's making its own title. You could go and essentially use these as the caption for your videos, all right? You'll also see these numbers, number 1, right? As I scroll down, you'll see number 2, okay? All right, you'll see that. And so there's a bunch of videos here as we scroll down. You're also going to see these scores, 93 out of 100, for example. If I scroll down here, 93 out of 100 again over here, okay? Now, these are the virality scores, okay? The viral scores. And actually, if you just hover over it, it'll tell you, this is the viral score. This is the likelihood that this video will go viral on Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Okay, it actually grades it on 4 different factors. Okay, I'm going to scroll in here or zoom in. You'll see on the hook, on the flow, on the value, and on the trend. Okay, so it's really cool. It does that. Then also, what you'll see here also is obviously a preview of the video. Okay, that's awesome. You can play it. There it is. You'll notice it's already captioned, it's already baked in, pretty awesome. You'll also notice that it tells you exactly where the clip is from based on the long form original video, okay? You'll also see that here is the transcription, all right? And then over here, you'll see a bunch of different options, okay? Very cool. So I'm going to scroll down really quickly. I'll see how many clips I got from this long form video, or actually Opus Clip got for me from this long form video. I'm already counting 16. I'm going to keep on going, 21, 22. Keep on going, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right, so from that one interview, I've got 35 clips. Now, what I do next typically is I'm going to scroll up to the very top. I will take my time to listen into each of these videos, right? To see like, okay, this is cool. This is good. This is not good. And what I really love about this, AI knows, right? So we've got Liz is the one talking. I'm not talking at this moment. All right. This is what the original clip looks like, right? You'll see that it's side by side, right? I'm using Ecamm to record this interview, but it knows with this clip that Liz was talking. So it's only putting her there. The other cool thing here is that it also took my screen share and put it right above Liz, right? You'll see this very commonly on social, on Reels and on Shorts, is that you want to show something visual, right? And so in the long form video, I was showing her webpage. And so now on the short form, it actually shows her talking at the bottom and then her website on top, all right? Whatever I was screen sharing at the top, which is pretty cool. What I would do here is then go into Edit Clip. Right here, you'll see Edit Clip, and it pulls up something that's very similar to like iMovie or another video editing platform, and I can actually go in here and highlight certain words, okay? And so what I can do here is I can actually highlight certain words, and then I can either edit these words or I can completely remove it. If I remove it, you'll see here, I can actually remove that part of the video as well. So you're essentially editing the video based on the transcript, okay? So based on the text. You'll see here on the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of different options. So cool. You can have B-roll, right? That pulls from like auto-generated AI B-roll. You can also have auto-generate stock B-roll here from copyright-free stock B-roll. It's really awesome to make your short form videos even more visually interesting. You can also add music. You can also enhance with AI. You can also do voiceovers. All right, so many things here that you can do. All right, so I want to show you something really quick in terms of like editing a video. I really like this one, the fourth one, which is I help small businesses grow. I think that's a really cool hook. I'm going to go into editing this clip. I'm just going to show you how you can kind of play around a little bit with this. All right, so if you go down here and click on clip layout settings, you'll see here that there's a bunch of applicable auto layouts. All right, now you can check off all of them, or you can just check off certain ones. Okay, but for example, this one, if you want it to just have the fit view like this, and then when I play it, then you can also see that the captions are right here. Maybe you want to move those captions up a little bit higher, or you can move the captions up a little bit on top there. It's really up to you. You can also go ahead and crop this if you like. You're like, okay, well, you know what? I want her to really show up like this and be a little bit tighter in the shot. That's okay as well. There you go. You can see that. There's a bunch of things that you can do here. You can turn off the captions. You can also highlight certain keywords here if you like, so you can turn that on, and so that when it is showing the captions, it may highlight some of the words there for you, okay? It's really awesome. There's also auto transitions here that you can get into. There's so many options here when you start editing and really customizing this to look really sharp, engaging, and also visually appealing when people are scrolling through their shorts or their TikToks or Reels. People will kind of stop the scroll, right? And that's the goal with any short form videos. Now, before we download one of these clips so that we can actually post this, what I would also suggest you do is that there's a really cool option here so that you can train your AI inside of Opus Clip by saying, okay, you can either heart or like a clip, or you can give it a thumbs down saying you dislike it. That way, Opus Clip will start knowing what you like and what you don't like. And then it can create more of what you like. Now, before we download this, I want to just mention really quickly, we're not going to get into it in this video, but you can also go ahead and use the calendar feature inside of Opus Clip so that you can actually schedule your posts ahead of time. Okay, so it's really cool. You can go into your calendar here and you can actually set your clips to be posted directly from Opus Clip into Instagram or YouTube Shorts or other social platforms, and without having to download the clips and then upload it again. All right, so there you have it. All you need to do now is, if you're happy with, let's say, this clip, number 4, all you need to do is click on this download HD button right here. I'm gonna click download HD. And that video is downloading. And there you have it. I've downloaded the clip from that long form video, and it's really easy. One click, download, HD format, and now it's ready to be uploaded to my YouTube Shorts. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Opus Clip offers a free trial where you can create up to 30 shorts without any cost. And then after the trial, you can still continue on their free plan, which lets you convert 60 minutes of long form video into shorts each month. So even if you're just starting out, or maybe you're on a budget, which we totally understand, you can keep creating shorts with no hidden fees. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got multiple YouTube shorts ready to go that you can use for days. If you'd like to try Opus Clip for yourself and get started with your first 30 free shorts, head to the link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips just like this. And if you want to know how to make 30 days of TikToks in 30 minutes using Opus Clip, watch the video on the screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.